sure. And then he made my bed too.
Okay.
Is that because you got a bloody lip?
Yeah, I was wiping it with my shirt.
What's going on? Is it Saeed? All right.
Incident domestic battery. Warrantless arrest location Motel. 6 Villa Park, Illinois, DuPage County. Agency Villa Park Police Department charged domestic battery. 720 ILCS 512-3.201.
Did you call?
Yeah, I made the call.
Okay.
So what room are they in?
153?
Definitely not.
There's it's an elderly African American couple.
Is there another 153?
No.
135 maybe?
No, they're already not there. It's not that one. Can you pop out the door? Because this is the one, right?
So that's that side.
Oh, that's
Oh, come on.
Motel 6 Villa Park.
You good?
Yeah, that's. I would say it's the right motel, just not the right room.
Is it on the?
Was she able to look at the room number?
Yeah, she says 153. Simon's Bakery's over there, right?
Simon's is over there.
That's fine.
Oh, she's upstairs. Alright. Hi. So, what's up?
Just fell asleep.
She just fell asleep, so what happened?
So we woke up, we were supposed to go to work, and then he was just like tripping. Supposedly he sent messages to my sister. He's gonna be beating me up, and I got blood on my shirt, and then he made my bed too, and I got like pictures too before the tried to put his hands on me.
Okay.
And he took my car keys. I was trying to leave. He has my car keys right now. He's trying to give them back to me.
Okay. What is your last name? String. Alright. So, when did all this happen?
Like around 4.
Did he hit you? Did he
Yeah.
slap you?
He was slapping me.
With
He was-
open hand?
Yeah, open hand.
Any closed fist?
No,
Do you remember which hand it was?
both. He was
Both?
going both.
Okay.
Is that because you got a bloody lip?
Yeah, I was wiping it with my shirt.
And what did you say was on your back?
I think he hit me with the back. I don't know if it's my put him up.
He bite you?
No, he was just hitting me. I was trying to turn around so he won't hit my face.
I just.
So,
My partner's
I'm gonna
take
get a picture of it, okay?
It almost looks like a bite mark. He didn't bite you at all or anything like that? Okay.
No, I was just turning around so he won't hit my
So
face.
face
Because he was trying to hit my face, so I just turned around. Oh, yeah, and that's
Alright. I was like, can I get a quick couple
Yeah.
pictures of that? Or just let it go for real quick? Alright. Now, was it just the top lip or bottom lip?
Oh,
too?
the top, I think.
Alright, so what room is he in?
253.
253? Let's go make contact with him. Does he have any weapons or anything? No?
Knives. Any kind of weapon. Knives.
Saeed? I don't know if that was a lock or what. Villa Park Police. Villa Park Police. What's going on? Is it Saeed? Alright. You mind if we step in and talk real quick?
Yeah, but I don't know what's wrong, so I can't invite you. What's going on?
Well, either that or you can step out and talk to us out here. That's fine. We got to talk about something that happened with your girl.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Yeah. You mind if we step in or you want to step out?
You can step in, but what's wrong?
Status check. We're good. Alright. So what happened with your girl?
We just had some miscommunication.
Miscommunication about what?
What she told you guys.
Well, we got called here because I guess some hands were put on each other. So that's what we're trying to figure out. what actually happened?
It wasn't nothing like that. We just misunderstanding.
Okay. And what about her keys? Something about you won't give her her keys so that she can get in her car.
Where she at?
We'll deal with that in a minute, my man. We gotta figure this stuff out. So you got her car keys? Okay. And you didn't want her to leave? Is that what the case was?
Yeah, I was just thinking it up. I know and she left.
What's up?
I was thinking it up and then she left on the line.
Okay. Did you put your hands on her at all? So then how'd she get the bloodied up lip?
It was just a little misunderstanding.
Well, there's a difference between misunderstanding and being verbal and hands getting waved. So how'd she get the bloody lip and the marks on her back?
Because in back, I don't know the brother, but probably maybe, I don't know that. I didn't put my hands on her.
You never put your hands on her. Well, Saeed, unfortunately, given the fact that she's got marks, you are under arrest, all right, for the domestic battery. So do me a favor, take your hands out of your pockets and put them behind your back.
I thought they were put.
Not right now,
But she
man.
even texted that I didn't put my hands on her.
She's the one that told us that you did. So, here, put your
You
hands.
must put something on something.
Where's your shirt?
That's what I'm saying. Let me put my shirt.
There. My partner can grab your shirt for you.
Which one's your shirt?
Which shirt you want?
This white shirt?
Yeah, the other one.
This one?
Yeah, the other one.
Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cuff off real quick, and then we'll let you put your shirt on. We're not gonna be assholes about it. All right.
Got it.
All right. Go ahead, toss your shirt on.
Can I put some socks on or something?
We can grab you some socks.
Yeah.
Here.
Keep your hands out of your pocket.
Yeah.
We'll get
Put
it.
your, give me this hand.
We'll take your hands out of your pockets for you.
Which key was hers? That key fob that was in your pocket? Okay.
This is yours? This was her key, correct? Just keep key off. Is this your wallet? Anything else on you?
Victor 27 Mark Motel in custody. What do you need? Okay. The one on the bed? Okay. Alright. We're gonna walk this way. And go to your right. Alright. We're gonna go over there and go down the stairs. How do you spell your name? S-A-I-D? Okay. You ever been in trouble before?
Traffic.
Okay. We're gonna go this way, and we'll go all the way down to the end over there. So we're gonna go down to our police department. You're gonna get booked and processed for domestic battery, and then you gotta go out to DuPage County and see the judge in the morning.
So I gotta stay over there overnight?
Yep. Because the way Illinois works, that the domestic battery laws, you have to see a judge. All right.
So I can go and have it recorded in the city judge?
So yes.
Domestic battery elements of the offense. Under 720 ILCS 5122-3.2A1, domestic battery requires 1 knowing act causing bodily harm, 2 without legal justification, 3 against a family or household. Member. Bodily harm includes any physical pain or impairment, no permanent injury required. Repeated open hand slapping satisfies this standard as a matter of law. Fourth Amendment hotel room as protected. Dwelling a hotel room carries the same Fourth Amendment protection as a permanent home, per Stoner v. California, 1964376 U.S. 483 warrantless non-consensual entry into a hotel room is presumptively unconstitutional. The suspect's refusal to invite officers in, "I don't know what's going on, so I can't invite you in," was a legally precise and correct exercise of this right. Consent Alternative Payton v. New York, under Payton v. New York, 1980445 U.S. 573 absent a warrant, exigent circumstances, or voluntary consent officers may not cross the threshold of a private dwelling. Officers lawfully redirected by offering the suspect the option to exit voluntarily. A suspect who steps outside does so without constitutional compulsion, removing the warrant requirement for the subsequent street encounter. Probable cause totality of circumstances. Under Illinois v. Gates 1983462 U.S. 213, probable cause is assessed under a totality of circumstances standard. Here, 3 independent elements converge: 1 first-hand victim statement, alleging slapping; 2 photographed injuries, split lip and back bruising; 3 suspects' possession of victim's car keys, consistent with unlawful restraint. Each element alone may be insufficient. Collectively, they clearly meet the constitutional threshold. Mandatory arrest, 750, ILCS 60/304, a critical provision. Under the Illinois Domestic Violence Act, when an officer has probable cause to believe domestic battery has been committed and the victim presents visible injury, arrest is mandatory, not discretionary. 750 ILCS 60/304A explicitly states, "The decision to arrest shall not be based on the officer's perception of the willingness of the victim to testify or otherwise participate in judicial proceedings." Victim recantation or non-cooperation cannot prevent arrest once injury is documented. Physical evidence corroboration doctrine. The victim's photographed injuries, split lip, back bruising, constitute corroborating physical evidence independent of her testimony. Under the corroboration doctrine, physical evidence that is consistent with and supports the victim's account significantly strengthens the probable cause finding and reduces dependence on a potentially recanting witness at trial. K. Retention unlawful restraint. Officers identified that the suspect retained the victim's car keys. Under 720 ILCS 510-3, unlawful restraint occurs when a person knowingly and without legal authority detains another person. Withholding a victim's means of transportation to prevent departure may constitute a separate chargeable offense independent of the battery and is also a recognized element of coercive control in domestic violence cases under Illinois law.
So you'll see a judge first thing. Go this way and we'll walk, cut through the grass. You see our cars over there. You'll see a judge in the morning, and then after that, the judge will either decide you're getting released until your actual court date, or you're staying there. If you've never been in trouble before, there's a likelihood you're just going to get released tomorrow morning, and then it's conditions of... No, unfortunately not, because it's after court hours, so no judge is in right now. Can you do the sub?
Yeah.
And get the other ones info. The caller. Yeah. Alright, so with you being on arrest, you have the right to remain silent or any questioning if you wish. You understand these rights? Okay. You want to talk to me about what happened later on?
Just a little, like I said, just a little on Sunday.
Okay. What's up?
We love each other, you know, just a little misunderstanding. It never happened before, it's the first time. So
Things got a little bit heated.
It's not even always like the way it just go.
Okay.
Since I didn't want to give her key, that's what she probably just
just so you are aware, in the state of Illinois, if there's signs of injury, we have to make an arrest. So even if she didn't want you arrested, we would still have to make an arrest in this situation because there are signs of injury, okay?
Because I didn't see those injuries, to be honest, so I didn't even know.
Well, her face got busted up a little bit, and then her back. Her back's got a bruise on it as well. All right?
Miranda Miranda partial advisement risk. The officer administered a partial Miranda warning covering only the right to remain silent. Under Miranda v. Arizona 1966384 U.S. 436, a complete advisement requires 4 elements. 1. Right to silence. 2. Use of statements against the suspect in court. 3. Right to an attorney. 4. Right to appointed counsel if indigent. Statements obtained after an incomplete advisement, including the suspect's admission that things got a little heated, may be subject to a suppression motion under CJP Fifth Amendment analysis. Implicit waiver. Burgouis v. Tompkins. Under Burgouis v. Tompkins 2010560 U.S. 370, a suspect who continues speaking voluntarily after receiving Miranda warnings implicitly waives the right to silence without requiring an express written waiver. The suspect's continued statements characterizing the incident as a miscommunication and confirming the domestic relationship "we love each other" are likely admissible. However, those statements simultaneously establish the domestic relationship element required under 720 ILCS 512-3.2. Mandatory judicial appearance. Illinois Safety Act. Under 725 ILCS 5109-1, persons arrested without a warrant must appear before a judge without unnecessary delay. For domestic violence charges, 725 ILCS 5110-6.3 imposes mandatory no-contact conditions at first appearance. Effective the 1st of January 2023, the Illinois Safety Act 730 ILCS 5563. 4. Eliminated cash bail. Replacing it with a risk-based pretrial detention framework, the judge assesses dangerousness and flight risk, not financial capacity. Key legal lessons.